respected dignitaries on the dais, today's chief guest, Honorable Dr. Vivek Venkar sir, Honorable Principal Dr. Harish Tiwari sir, Training and Placement Dean of PCT, Dr. Ravandre, Shitar Kumar Ravandre sir, all HODs, faculties, parents, and my dear students. I am Tushar Gaikwad. Warm welcome all of you here in first year induction program. Even though the first year induction program is online, all of you are there through a live Facebook live, and I am here once again welcome all of you in this online induction program. I am delighted to tell some few words about PCCOER. When we are talking about PCCOER, first I would like to tell about my faculty. In first year engineering, I am proud to inform you that in first year engineering, there is an incredibly talented faculty. One of my faculty has completed his post-graduation from IIT Powai. One more faculty has completed his post-graduation with gold medalist from Pune University. Many of them are NET/SET qualified, GRF qualified, post-graduation ME, MTech, and doctorate from reputed organizations. So not only the degrees, but also the hard work, the quality teaching, and the experience. All these things are matters. And due to this hard work, experience, and quality teaching, our results of PCCOER stands at 4th position in Pune University among 120 engineering colleges. So why these results are coming? Why these results are improving from last 6 years? The very disciplined academics is the one reason, and you can say rigorous mentoring scheme is the another reason. So these results, we are hoping for the next batches also, these results will constantly improving for the next batches also. Now, at last, finally the day came for which you are waiting for. That day has arrived, and I am announcing that from tomorrow we are going to start our teaching. The teaching commences from tomorrow, but that is also again through online mode. So initially we will start our teaching only for theory lectures, and afterwards we will start the practical as soon as we will get the permission from authority to conduct the classes physically. Now everything has explained by the Borgaonkar sir, that how compact program is there for first year engineering. Okay, we will send you today, by today only, we will send you the academic calendar as well as timetable. In academic calendar, there is a unit test 1, unit test 2, then there is a INSEM exam, preliminary exam, NSEM exam, and all these exams, retest, crash courses, all compact program will be waiting for you. And I know in academics, due to the micro planning of our first year teaching, teachers, you don't need to worry about the academics. So in academics, due to the micro planning, we will be definitely a successful. But I want to tell you one more thing, that is not only in academics, but for your overall development. First year is going to start, not your first year, for whole college. We have started 10 different clubs under the guidance of our principal sir. What are that 10 different clubs? Sir, I like to inform you, sir. So yesterday we just wrote the link, and around 124 students have registered for the different 10 clubs. And the 10 different clubs are, first is cultural club, second is, you can say, technical clubs, which is under departments, third is adventure club, literary club, social club, research and innovation club, sports club, competitive exam and higher studies club and entrepreneurship clubs and astronomy club. These 10 clubs we have formed, and all these clubs are run by the students only for their overall developments. So finally, once again I want to tell you one thing. There may be many questions in your mind, okay, but answer of all your questions is the only one, and the answer is that we are here to help you. First year faculty is there to help you. And once again I want to assure all the parents that your ward is in safe hand, your future of your ward is bright, and by saying these words I am stopping here. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. My dear all, you all have that dream that your ward should be placed into the best company. But getting job in this competitive world is very difficult nowadays. And to make this difficult task easy, I would like to call